What are you guys making?
What are we making, Ayla?
Carrots.
So what are we gonna do with the carrots? Making orange soup?
So we have our orange soup
Yummy orange soup. I love
and
soup in the winter.
vegetables. That's what you're making today, Abba?
Yes, we are. 3 trays of it. Sweet potato, butternut squash, and onions when we get to it.
Ayla, show me the knife you're using.
Sure you can.
You like it?
Cause for the first time,
Okay, so my husband put fried an onion. Whoa, oh my gosh. And added everything in, including lentils and all the vegetables. Half of it we froze. You want to see? Let me taste it. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהכל נהיה בדברו. Steak pumpkins. We're gonna soak it. Soy sauce. Date syrup. Garlic powder. Overnight, it really helps it soak in the flavors. Just gonna fluff it a little bit. So now I'm gonna cover it with some oil so it doesn't dry out. Okay. So these are pieces here. I'm gonna do 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes on each side. See the fat pieces? I'm gonna press down the fat pieces. And I'll put it in. Okay, 4 minutes on this side. This had happened to me in the past that it wasn't 100% cooked when I fried, so I really tried to do 4 minutes on each side. Wow. I'm going to use the dryer today because it started getting a little bit cooler and it could take a few days to dry, so I prefer to use our dryer. Opa. Obviously the dryer is much easier than Thankfully, I have some schnitzel frozen, and we're gonna have chicken soup that we also froze. For some reason, schnitzel became a must for the girls, so I have to make sure that they have their schnitzel. So lucky that I was able to freeze some from last week. And of course I'm going to do the dishes as I listen to some podcasts or some news or shir. Over, first to the middle, second over, first to the middle, over, first to the middle, second over. Okay, so we have these ready, these 2 trays ready to go in, and soon we're going to do the last stage, which is doing an egg wash with some sesame if you want to, or you could also do other toppings, but sesame is the classic one. What are you eating, a rice cracker? You're eating a rice cracker? Spread all over.
I just wanna tell you that. No. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby.
And this is our 4th.
I can't let you go, baby.
You go play? Okay, get stuck. We have it like with Trina sprinkle it so well. Okay, this is the real crunch time. My son loves this lasagna, and we usually make it for Challah Shaping, which is the 3rd meal. 1 meal we're gonna have tonight, tomorrow, and then there's a 3rd Seudah Shlishit that we have tomorrow. So we'll see if we end up having it or just eating after Shabbos. There's a really beautiful expression from the Mishnah or Talmud, which is Misha toreach be'erev Shabbat ochel b'Shabbat. Whoever toils and works in the eve of Shabbos enjoys Shabbos. And it's so true. Like, if you feel like you really worked hard, did all the cooking, something about Shabbos is just so much sweeter and so much more special when you have that relaxation after you worked so hard prepping or so hard cleaning the house, doing the laundry. So I'm gonna make an extra effort to make this lasagna. Cottage cheese is something that Israel, they have a fixed price for it, so it can't go over a certain price. My husband says not to stack the lasagna.